Hey everybody, this is Mimi with Simply Sophisticated Over 50. Today I'm out running errands. I've got to go by Ulta. I've got to go get some new makeup. The new fall colors are out, so I'm excited about that. Also, I have a makeover that I'm going to be doing later too. So stay tuned. We're going to have so much fun on this video today. So I'm going to be doing a makeover on Catie of Catherine Hurt Photography. So Catie actually has been doing some behind the scenes here at Simply Sophisticated Over 50, even though she has a thriving business and she's super busy, but she's taken her time out. She photographed the video that we did when we went shopping. The summer finds. We had so much fun doing that video. And today she's got an event she's going to go to here shortly. And then I'm going to do a makeover on her. There's some really cool colors for fall now, so we're going to do those. There are so many bright colors for fall this year, not only with the clothing, but also with the makeup. So when I went shopping at Ulta, I was looking for something a little bit different. I didn't want to just go to the same stuff that I usually use, but I actually found some really pretty eyeshadows by e.l.f. So this one is Truffles, and we're going to use the black in there for some eyeliner. And then this one is called Berry Bad. Berries are really going to be big again this year for fall. These are gorgeous colors. By the way, how's Toulouse?
Amazing. Okay.
So Toulouse is her puppy that is really good friends with Coda Bear. Here's a picture of them together, hanging out. All right, so we're going to start with this one. Let's go ahead and start with, we're going to put a little bit of the, we're going to start with the Truffles, put a little bit of the lighter shade on her brow bone and on her lid. There we go. Oh, that's really pretty. It's shimmery, it's got little sparklies in it. That's Berry Bad, we're going to use this shade right here. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, I really like that. That's really, really pretty. Wow.
This color, like the red colors or pinky, are supposed to be good for hazel eyes. Pretty sure, right? Yeah.
And your hazel eyes, you got hazel eyes too, right? We're going to use, before I use the black liner, I'm going to use a little bit of brown right in the corner. Always want to blend. Black liner. Just put a little bit on the brush. Oh wow, gorgeous. We're going to use NYX products right now. I've got Born to Glow. This is a bronzer and a blush. And these we're going to use on her cheeks, and then we've also got some lip color from NYX as well. So what is the name of this one?
About the Bronze and Gemstorm.
About the Bronze, About the Bronze and Gemstorm. We're going to use an angled brush for the bronzer. We're going to put just a little bit, just right under the cheekbone area here, just to give a little contour. And the side of the nose. Blend. And the blush. So this blush is really luminescent. It's not real, it's very pigmented, but it's not going to be something that's super dark. It's going to be more transparent. I like that. A little more subtle. Usually summertime is all about glowy makeup and shimmery makeup. So this fall, there's also going to be lots of glow and shimmer. So we've got lots of highlight, as you can see. Looks really pretty on her cheeks. Beautiful. Very glowy. Born to glow. For the lip color, we've got NYX, and I've got a lip liner, and I've also got their lipstick that's a little more moist. And we're going to take a look at that and see how that looks for Catie and see if she likes it. This is Ever. This is the Butter Lipstick by NYX, and it is really super hydrating. The name of this one is Moonlit Night. By the way, you can sharpen these pencils. They are actually wooden pencils, but they go on really smoothly. A lot of times when you have a pencil, it doesn't go on smooth. It goes on very rough and it kind of sticks to your skin, but these go on really smooth. Here's the lip color. Isn't that gorgeous? There are several ways you can apply lipstick. You can just stick it on there, or you can use a brush. You can even use a little sponge, but I'm going to use, well, let me show you what I do. So instead of just smearing it on, I'm going to dab it on, and then I'm going to basically blend it with a brush. And then sometimes what I'll do is I'll just take a little with the brush and then just put it on that way. But I'm going to tap it on to her lips to apply just the right amount of color. Together. That looks really pretty. What do you think? Smile, let me see your pretty teeth. So that was so fun. We just did a quick little makeover of just some new fall colors, just a really quick touch up because like I said, she's got something she's got to go to this afternoon, and she said, I just feel like I want to add just a little bit more, and she was helping me do some setup changes. So I like it. Well, those are just a couple of different options that you have this fall using NYX products, using e.l.f. products. We really are glad that you joined us today, and I will see you on the next video. This is Ever, and then we've also got the lip color to go. This is the Butter Lipstick, which is really moist, the Butter Lipstick